In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create unlimited subdomains on DigitalOcean Droplet. By the end, you'll understand how to set up your domain inside DigitalOcean so you can manage as many subdomains as your project needs. Start by signing into your DigitalOcean account and heading to the main dashboard. On the left sidebar, look for the section labeled Manage. This is your control center for project-wide settings and infrastructure. Click it, then find and open Networking. The networking area is where you'll handle load balancers, VPCs, floating IPs, and most importantly for this tutorial, DNS. Inside networking, switch to the Domains tab. This is where you connect your custom domain to DigitalOcean's DNS so you can control subdomains from one place. Click Add a Domain. You'll see a field asking for your domain name. Enter your root domain only, without HTTP or HTTPS, and without any subdomain. For example, use example.com, not www.example.com. Keeping it to the root domain ensures you can later create subdomains like app.example.com or apexample.com under the same DNS zone. Next, choose the project that this domain should belong to. Projects help you group related resources, so pick the one that contains the droplet or application that will handle traffic for your subdomains. With the domain and project set, click Add Domain. DigitalOcean will create a DNS zone for your domain and take you to a management page where all future DNS records live. From here, you're in the right place to enable unlimited subdomains. The idea is simple. Once your domain is managed in DigitalOcean DNS, you can add as many subdomain records as you like, and even use a wildcard record if your application and web server are designed to route requests dynamically. A quick tip before you go further. Make sure your domain's name servers at your registrar point to DigitalOcean's name servers. If they don't, DNS changes here won't resolve on the public internet. After updating name servers, allow some time for DNS propagation. 2 more best practices as you proceed. Keep the public IP of your droplet handy for when you create records later, and avoid sharing sensitive credentials or internal IPs and screenshots. Also, plan your naming conventions up front so subdomains like API, admin, and staging are consistent and easy to manage across environments. That's it for the setup inside DigitalOcean. You've added your domain to networking, linked it to the right project, and you're ready to manage subdomains at scale from a single dashboard.